In this video, I'm going to talk about super interesting topic. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Comrade Teach TV. I am Comrade Babatunde. In this video, I'm going to talk about super interesting topic. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and comment, and share with family and friends.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Comrade Teach TV. I'm Comrade Babatunde. In this video, I'm going to teach you a method that that you can use to send a message to 1,000 contacts just at once on WhatsApp. You can use this method to reach 1,000 of audience, to promote your business, to advertise your business. Let's go. After you have gotten 1,000 of contact, then open your WhatsApp, back, back, and click these three dots at top. You see an option pop up, which is new group, new broadcast, link device, steering, read all, and setting and switch account. Then we are going for new broadcast. Then you can start to select the content you wanted to add in your broadcast, just like this. This broadcast can contain more than 256 contacts. Like you are seeing, I'm selecting my contact. I will select up to 250 for the first one. Then I will create 4 broadcasts. Each of them contains 150, 250 contacts. If we join it together, it will give you 1,000 contacts. That's how you are going to do to send your message or to advertise your message to reach 1,000 audience at once on WhatsApp. As you are seeing, I still selecting my contacts right on my data. Yeah, let me on my data. I'm still selecting my contact to the broadcast. Yeah, I'm still selecting. If I don't, I'll just click here. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and comment, and share with family and friends. I'm still selecting my contacts. I will soon done. I'm in 147. Yeah, amen. Little bit to finish selecting my contact. As you are seeing, I keep selecting my contact. I keep selecting. I'm almost done. Father will process to the next steps, which is creating the broadcast by one click. With just one click, you can create the broadcast and you can customize it by giving it a name, profile. I'll show you all. Yeah, 135, 239. Remain little bit for me to finish. Yeah, I'm 150. Yeah, like I mentioned, I'll stop at 150 so that I can have my contacts at 1000. By clicking this, boom, I've created the brokers. You have created a brokers list with 250 recipients, which is if I send my message now, 250 contacts will instantly see my message. And like I told you, you can customize it by change the broker's name, and you can change the DP. I think so. Wow, the DP cannot be changed right now, but you can give it a name like I'm going to give it now. Comrade Teach TV. Yeah, I have give it a name. Wow, I will create a brokers list of the five. I will create of the five. Let me go and show you those I created. Back, back, bro. Yeah, seeing it now. I've created almost five brokers. One, two, comrade one, comrade two, comrade three, comrade four, comrade five. Yeah, like you are seeing, I've already sent them a message. 2K design can increase your selling or buying online. DM to get your business will I get free one design for personalizing comrade graphic design. As you are seeing, I sent my message and all of them have received it. I have sent it to comrade one, comrade two, comrade up to five brokers list, which is if we 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250, which is 1k plus another 250, which is 1250. I send my message to 1250 contact instantly. No wahala, sharp sharp. Oh boy, this is amazing. This is really amazing. You can see it. I've sent it. Yeah, I send it to this. Also send to this commodate 4. Also send to this commodate 3. Also send to this commodate 2. Also send to this commodate 5. Yeah, using this method you can send message to 10,000 contacts instantly on WhatsApp. I hope this video can help you to reach your audience and to promote your business. If you like this video, kindly do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and comment, and share with family and friends. I'm Comrade Babatunde, Comrade Teach TV. Thank you.